Okay, now I'm going to show you how to add another blog post. Remember just now we create a site and we create a blog post, and when we publish the blog post we had to publish the site along, as it was the first time we create the site and the blog post. But this time for the second blog post, we may not need to publish the site again. Okay, so all we have to do is, again, I like to take all of you to the site menu all the time. Click on my site, let the dashboard refresh and reload again. Once you have got the dashboard on in your site section, you can click on edit site. Okay, so if you are editing this particular site, and if you edit a post from this website, that means the post that you are creating is also to be published in this website. So the loading may take time, depends on your bandwidth. Like I showed just now in part 1, all you have to do is go to my blog here and create a post. Okay, so this is the second post which we want to create. To make it simple, this time I am going to post a video which was prepared earlier and uploaded to YouTube. So the title is Virtual Writing Tutor, whereby I made a video showing how to use the website. Okay, the name of the website, Virtual Writing Tutor. So what I need to do here is, okay, let me try add a video. Okay, cool. We can add the URL of the video that is already posted, which is already uploaded in YouTube. Click on add. Let's see what I get. Oh, great. So I have the title with a video in here. So this is good enough for me. So all I want to do now is to publish the second post. Oh, okay, great. You may check it out. So that's all on in this section. So we may close the blog post editing section. Let us go and check our website. I refresh the website. Now it is coolvioletwixsite.com, and here the second post is already up here. The earlier first post is now below there.